Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can change the keyboard size on Samsung Galaxy M55 5G. The first thing that we need to do is open the settings. In the settings we want to scroll all the way down and go to general management. Then over here go to Samsung keyboard settings. Finally go scroll down and then choose size and transparency. Now over here we can adjust the size of the keyboard. We can even change its position by moving it up a little bit. And if you want to make it bigger, then you need to drag it by these blue rectangles or triangles. So over here you can even resize it to one of the bottoms, like so. And then you can also just move it to the center. As you can see, we can do lots of things with it. Let's resize. And of course, if you made some changes and then you decide to actually revert them to default settings, then we have the reset button over here. And once you are done with the settings, you can simply press done to save it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.